have to put it down before I break my entire body. Oh. Hey guys, it's Sarah, and in today's video I thought that I would film I really don't know what I'm going to call this video. This video is kind of a mess. My computer is overheating right now, so hopefully you guys can't hear that. But anyways, in today's video, it's like a DIY room decor slash homeware haul slash room makeover slash room tour. I tried to film it a little bit differently, which I think is why it's a mess. So I hope you guys like it. Thumbs it up if you do. Hit subscribe, hit the notifications, all the fun stuff. And comment down below letting me know if you guys have set your Christmas tree up, because I feel like I'm gonna do that like tomorrow. So let me know. And let's get into the video. Hi. So, bet you thought you were about to see a DIY. You were wrong. Before I get into my cute AF DIYs, I want to do like a super quick mini home decor haul. That's what I'm gonna call it. And by super mini, I mean like really quick, but a lot of stuff. Anyways, I've never done a homeware haul before, so if it's weird, sorry, I'm gonna make it quick. Let's do it. Let's get it done. So, I'm gonna show you guys a couple of plants that are gonna temporarily be in my life for the next month until they like die. You won't be seeing them for too long. Actually, first we're gonna fake plant, so this one's gonna be around for a while. I got this plant, which honestly, I trod on it the other day. It was just sitting on the floor and I trod on it, so. Like, that's not even how you kill a plant, but like. Then we got this guy, which honestly, I've had this plant for like 2 days and it's already looking less healthy than when I first bought it, so it literally doesn't say how often to water it. This next one I'm actually super excited about because Kane and I like made this. We bought this really expensive pot and we put these plants in it that were actually really cheap. This is what it looks like. Frick, that's heavy. Oh my goodness. Then I got this one and it grew this like thing, this little stick. So can I cut that off? I didn't sign up for that. I also got this plant, which I'm not touching because there's 100% a spider in it. There was like cobwebs on it when I bought it, so I like cleaned them all off and then they like appeared again the next day. So we got a pet spider with that plant too, which, you know, didn't really want, but. Next up, I got some cushions. So the first one I got is from a store called Pillow Talk, and low-key looks like one that I am about to DIY in this video, so probably shouldn't have bought that, but got tassels. I also got 2 more cushions, which we ain't gonna talk about for too long because they were like kind of expensive and I don't really spend like lots of money on like a single cushion. So this one and this one. I don't really know if these are classed as like decor. Like I guess they're coffee table books, but I have them sitting on my side table because I'm super into reading before I go to sleep because I'm an overthinker that can't sleep if they're like thinking, which is every night. This one's called Your Bed Loves You, not a lie. And I got this one, which is called The Art of Wellbeing. So far, I've only read Your Bed Loves You. I'm like super into having like cozy nights. So it's like about like aromas that you can smell before you go to bed and like different foods that you can eat that like are good to eat at nighttime. But I haven't read this one yet, The Art of Wellbeing, so I'll let you guys know if I like it, and yeah. Okay, next one isn't really decor either, but it kind of just like looks cute, so I guess it's like almost decor, but obviously I don't have this for decor. But if you guys follow me on Instagram, which if you don't, do it. For my birthday, Kane got me this ukulele, and yeah, I told Kane like 6 months ago that I wanted to get a ukulele, so he got me one for my birthday. To go with my like obnoxious amount of plants that I got that are also gonna die in like 2 days, I got some pots. I got this one and this pot, which is just a small version of the last pot. I got this one, which was like kind of expensive for just like a basic white pot. And this one, oh my God, what am I gonna say? And this one for the rest of them. We got a pink pot with the detail. We also got this pot. Oh my goodness. Okay, and then we got this pot, which I like actually am struggling to pick up. I have to put it down before I break my entire body. Oh, I'm back. Okay, the second last thing that I got is a print. I normally get all of my prints off of Etsy. Oh my gosh, I'm just like a mess. Oh my gosh, I'm so puffed out from the pot. I buy all of my prints as like downloadable files off of Etsy and then I just get them printed out myself. It's so much cheaper. And then lastly, I also got this basket for a plant that's going in my bedroom. So I think that's it. Hold on, I'm not done. I also have this plant too. Good luck. Probably ain't gonna last that long. Anyways, I'm not really sure what the next thing that you guys are seeing in this video is, but let's get into it. Okay, so this first DIY is basically just like a Pinterest board, but like on a canvas, and your girl loves Pinterest, so I'm super excited to hang this. But I just took some prints that I found, you know, on Pinterest, obviously. So once I found all the prints that I liked, I just went and printed them out. Pro tip, I feel like the easiest way to organize your canvas is just to like set it up how you think you want it and take a photo so you can use that as a reference. I don't know if that makes sense. Oh my gosh, fingers crossed that makes sense. If not, sorry, at least there's a video to watch. And then I just went in and glued all the photos down with some Mod Podge. Honestly, I feel like there's no point in me explaining this. That's pretty much it. DIY over. I'm about to hang my frames, but I wanted to show you guys. I now have 3 of these because I made 2 of them to hang, and then, you know, I thought I'd make an extra one for the video to show you guys how cute and easy it is. So yeah, I don't have space for 3 though.
I always got these expectations. It goes so fast. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck.
I was just about to like start this DIY, as you guys can tell, and I realized that I hadn't shown you guys this DIY that I made, which is, I don't really know what to call this. I just had like an ugly frame. Actually, the frame was kind of cute, but like the colors were faded, so I just like painted over it. This is what it looks like. This is the footage of me doing it. I'm just gonna like awkwardly sit here, but I had a frame that was like kind of cute, but like the pink had faded a little bit, so I just painted over it. This is what it looks like.
Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you. Dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best.
For the next DIY, you guys just want to start by tracing some circles on some black card. I don't really know how to say this, but like anything that I do on camera, I like manage to stuff up. Like this is legitimately not a circle. I have to do like 10 circles, but I really have to do like 20.
That I can't live without
Good
you.
job!
Anyways, once you guys have cut out your round circles, you basically just want to turn them into moon shapes because we're trying to create like the moon phases. I just copied all of my moons down off of this sheet that I found on the internet, so I'll link it down below for you guys in case you do the DIY. But the easiest way to get the perfect moon is just by like using the edge of your like circle thing. And once you've cut them all out, you can secure your yarn to the back of your moons with some tape.
Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you. Dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your heart. Coming to get
And this is how my room turned out when I finished putting all my new stuff in it. Hikey only showing you this like mini room tour because I remember to record it before and after, and I was super proud of how it looked, so enjoy! For the next one, I thought that I was gonna put this cushion like on my bed, but I decided to put it on this like reading nook day bed I've got. So all you guys need for this super freaking easy DIY is a plain pillowcase and a fabric marker and maybe a ruler if you guys aren't super like good at like doing stuff precisely like me. So yeah. Anyways, I just decided on 2 different patterns that I wanted to go in and do. They were pretty easy, but like low key, I still managed to stuff them up as you guys are about to see, but like it's still cute though. I just did it the wrong way. How did I just do that? I was being so precise.
the next one you want local or something I wish I never said. Ah damn.
So that is my video. I hope you guys like it. I just hope that that like turned out to be kind of cute. Don't forget to let me know if you guys have set up your Christmas tree or like when I should be setting up my Christmas tree. Like tomorrow? Is that too soon? Let me know. Hit the notification bell, subscribe, thumbs up, all that good stuff if you guys like this video, and come follow me on Instagram. It's less awkward over there because I don't really speak over there. So yeah, see you guys in my next video.